Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are diving into one of the most powerful and lesser known function in Excel, the unique function. If you have been looking for a way to extract unique values from the list or range, this function is your secret weapon. So let's jump right in and explore the unique capabilities of Excel's unique function.
Don't forget to subscribe KnowHow and press the bell icon for more videos.
The unique function in Excel is designed to extract unique values from a given range or array. It eliminates any duplicate entries and returns only the distinct values. It's a fantastic tool for data analysis, especially when dealing with large datasets or when you want to remove redundant information. The syntax of the unique function is quite straightforward. It goes like equal, unique, bracket start, array, comma, by column, comma, exactly once, bracket close. Array parameter is range or array from which you want to extract unique values. The optional by column parameter is a logical value, true or false, that determines whether the comparison should be performed by column or by row. The second optional parameter, exactly once, is another logical value, true or false, that specifies whether to return only the values that appear exactly once in the range. Now let's move to the practical example. In this data you can see that we have the data about the food list of different restaurants, but the food item list is not a distinct one and some food is repeating again and again in the list. We want to get a distinct list of food item in each restaurant. For this purpose I will write equal, unique, bracket start, and then select the table array and then close this bracket and press enter. Now you can see that we get the distinct list of food items in the first restaurant. We can get the distinct list of food items for the other restaurant by just dragging it to the right. So up till now we have applied the unique function column wise. Now we will apply this unique function to the rows. For this purpose I am going back by pressing Ctrl Z. Then I will write equal, unique, bracket start, and now select the first row, then comma, and now I will write true, bracket close and press enter. So now you can see that the first row that contain biryani 2 times and grilled fish. So in this list, which is a distinct one, contain biryani only 1 time, which means that we get the distinct value in the first row. We can apply this by dragging the formula down to the whole data. And that wraps up. The unique function is a fantastic tool for extracting unique values from your data, enabling you to streamline your analysis and eliminate duplicate information. We hope you found this tutorial helpful and that it adds a valuable tool in your information. Thank you for watching and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more exciting Excel tips and tricks. Until next time, happy spreadsheeting.